how to block in-app ads on Android phone. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then scroll down and tap on more connection settings. Now in here, tap on Private DNS. After that, tap on Private DNS provider hostname. Then we scroll down, and in here put in the hostname as dns.artguard.com and then tap on save. Now give it a few moments for the phone to update the DNS and for the data to populate through to your app. So if you already have an app open, try to close it and then reopen it. And after you reopen it, you should see in-app ads would be blocked. If it's still showing ads, give it a few more moments. Maybe it takes a few minutes. So eventually it should be blocked. So you can see here the ads is blocked. It's being blocked down here. So there's supposed to be ads down here. It is now being blocked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.